Welcome students. Today we are going to do one problem related with similar triangles. The problem is given in a triangle PQR. ST is a line such that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR, and also it is given that angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. This angle is equal to this angle. Now what you have to prove? That you have to prove that the whole triangle PQR is a isosceles triangle. So first of all is that whatever is given in the problem you have to copy down. Understood? So let us start the solution. Given, what is given? PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. Next, PST is equal to PR. So for the given also you will be getting marks. Whatever is given in the question, if you are writing in points, then also you will be getting the marks. Now, and what is the thing to be proved? That is required to prove. What you have to prove? Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. You have to prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle. So now let us start the proof. First thing is that whatever is given you have written. Next, what you are writing? Required to prove. Now let us start the proof. So first of all, let us take PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. It is given. Why you are taking? It is given. So now you have to use the theorem which is known as converse of BPT, which you have learned. So here you are getting the sides are in same ratio. So then we can write this line ST is parallel to QR. Why? By converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. So you are getting, therefore we are writing ST is parallel to QR. This is the first thing you are getting. So when we are proving these two lines are parallel, then we can say this angle is equal to this angle. PST is equal to angle PQR. Why? Let us say this is equation 1. Why you are taking PST is equal to PQR? You have to mention because these two angles are corresponding angles. They are known as corresponding angles of the lines. Which lines? Of the parallel lines ST and QR. So all of you know it is one of the properties of parallel lines. This angle and this angle, they are always equal. So these angles are known as corresponding angles. These angles are known as corresponding angles. So I am getting one equation. So similarly you can write PST is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. So this is your second equation. Why you are writing that? Because it is given in the problem. So now here you are getting both the things are same. PST is equal to PST. So from 1 and 2 we can write like this. From 1 and 2 both are common, no? So don't write this one. So we will be writing PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. So your angle is PRQ. So this angle, now what is happening here? This angle is equal to this angle. So when these angles are equal, then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because isosceles triangle is known as when the two sides are equal, it is isosceles triangle. Otherwise, if two sides are not equal, we can say if you are getting two angles are equal, then also it is an isosceles triangle. So you are getting both the angles are equal from 1 and 2. So now I can easily write PQ is equal to PR. Why? What is the reason? Because angles on the equal sides, angles on the equal sides of triangle are also equal. They are also equal. If the angles are equal, then this side is equal to this side. So when these two sides are equal, then we can say that this triangle is isosceles triangle. Therefore, we can say triangle PQR is isosceles triangle. So hence proved. So let us revise what are the important things here. The important things which you have to remember: the property of isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle, it has two properties. Sides are equal and the angles on the same side are also equal. So now what you are doing here, you are taking what is given, you are getting these parallel lines. How you are getting? Because of converse of BPT. So when we are able to prove these two parallel lines, then we are taking the corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this angle. So this you are getting a equation, first equation. So you are writing the second equation, whatever it is there in the problem. So from one end you are getting this angle is equal to this angle. So when the angles are equal, then we can say the sides are equal. So when the sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangle. I hope that you understood this problem.